how to change audio in Instagram Reels after posting. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change audio in Instagram Reels after posting. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, so from here, after you log in with your account in Instagram, you'll have to just tap on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from this profile section, you'll be able to see your every posted reel. So from here, there is no any options like you can change audio on Instagram. So for the supplement method, you'll have to just tap on this three line just at the top right corner. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with the options like help. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here, go with the option report a problem. Okay, tap on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Alright, so from here you can briefly explain your problem that your account is not able to change audio in Instagram Reels after you posted. So from here you can explain your problem, and after you made a request from here, the Instagram team will review you and provide you some procedure or guidelines to change audio in Instagram Reels. So from there your problem might be solved now. So this is the easiest and simplest process. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.